In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Harvest account for free. First, open your web browser. Any modern browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari will work. Make sure it's up to date and that you have a steady internet connection, so the sign-up process goes smoothly. Next, go to the Harvest website. You can type the address directly into the address bar or search for Harvest and select the official site from the results. Once the page loads, look for the Sign Up or Try Harvest Free button, usually at the top right of the homepage, and click it. If you see a login option as well, be sure you're choosing the sign-up path, not the login page. You'll be asked to enter your email address and a password. Use an email you can access right now, since you'll need to verify it. For the password, choose something strong and unique, combining letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other accounts. After filling those in, click Create Account or Sign Up to submit your details. Harvest will send a verification message to the email you provided. Keep your browser tab open, switch to your inbox, and look for the message from Harvest. If it's not there within a minute or two, check your spam or promotions folder. Open the message and click the verification link to confirm your email address. Once verified, you'll be prompted to enter your workspace or company name. If you're a solo freelancer, using your own name is perfectly fine. This name appears in places like time entries and invoices, so pick something you're comfortable sharing with clients. When you're asked to choose a plan, select the free plan. This is ideal if you're just getting started and want to track time without any commitment. Review the plan details on screen so you know what's included. Finally, complete the basic setup to access your Harvest dashboard. The setup may ask for simple preferences, like your time zone or first client and project. You can follow the on-screen prompts now or skip non-essential fields and fill them in later. When you finish, you'll land on your dashboard, where you can start tracking time, organizing projects, and exploring reports. And that's how you create a Harvest account free. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.